Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Aviator app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, it's a very straightforward process. So before we withdraw money, you must have actually gambled with cash. That means you must create an account at an online casino offering the title, then make a deposit in the Aviator game. Both the registration and funding process are quite straightforward. So once you've created an account and have logged in, we need to navigate to the cashier. Then from there, pick a suitable option where you can make to use a withdrawal, enter how much you want to take out. This must not be less than the minimum amount. Provide your payment details. The exact information you'll supply depends on the chosen payment method. Then submit the request and wait for it to be processed. Also, we need to make sure our account is verified. So that's going to